What's going on, everybody? Crustless Crypto here, back in a video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'll be giving away $50 to $100 worth of EGLD. Once we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, the channel is growing at a awesome pace, and I appreciate you guys for that. So please support the channel, support the cause. I do have a website, crustlesscrypto.com. It can be your one-stop shop for all latest updates, articles in the crypto space. It is updated daily. If you want to just have one place where you can just hop on and just check out the most recent general cryptocurrency news, make sure you guys go to crustlesscrypto.com. If you guys want to support my Patreon or follow me on Twitter as well, it's all in the description down below. So let's get into it, guys. The market right now is calm. Nothing is happening. As we all know, Bitcoin went down to $46,000 and it dipped. 7-day percent drop is 7% right now. As you can see here, Bitcoin is it went all the way up past 50,000 and then it went all the way back down to around $46,000 right now. So nothing too crazy with Bitcoin. We don't understand what causes drop from 51 to 47, but you just gotta have some caution. This could be an accumulation phase. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is my opinion. But if those who are going all in on Bitcoin, make sure you eye this price out. This may be a good accumulation stage, or if you want to see if it drops more, that's something that you can do as well. Now, other than Bitcoin aside, right, the market is looking good. There's one coin in particular. I'm pretty sure you guys will know what I'm talking about. Elrond is doing amazing right now, up 34%, guys. I cannot believe it. I mean, the 7-day, the price fluctuation, as we saw, it went from 173, dropped all the way down to 145 and even lower, going as low as about 130s. It was pretty surprising, to say the least, how the prices dropped just like that. But I mean, went going down further, and not too long after that, but then shot up, guys. Its rebound is astounding. It's totally independent from Bitcoin. It's just, look at the price, guys, and it's still continuing to climb. It's at 34% increase, 203. It's at 203 right now. If you guys had bought in around $77, you almost tripled your money. Almost around $37 if you guys bought in at 80 bucks. I mean, it's insane what this coin has been doing. Like we said, it was all the way down to even $54 in June. I mean, look at it now. You 4x your money, honestly. It's amazing what this Elrond is doing right now. It's hit that $4 billion market cap almost. And we're just going to continue to see where it's going. There's a lot of hype going on. We have a lot of good people in the crypto space talking about Elrond and its capabilities, and we're going to be seeing much more increases in price, I believe, in the near future. So this is huge, guys. So some news and updates for you guys today. Explore the fascinating aspects of the Elrond network technology and ecosystem via educational resources made available by the NWC Public Crypto Academy. So let's check this out here. We have started a collaboration with the crypto education platform News Crypto to further the understanding of the technology behind the Elrond network and the ecosystem of services and DeFi products that it helps create. News Crypto is a comprehensive educational, social, and informative platform offering both beginners and experts everything they need in order to learn about crypto and further improve their ability to understand the blockchain space. Honestly, guys, education is one of the most important things that the mass public needs to be aware of. Being able to get educated on cryptocurrency and being able to have their eyes open and glisten to the wonderful world of blockchain and the newest technologies, that's coming out in the 21st century. So this is awesome. I think they need to get with educational platforms so they can, in a way that's kind of marketing and promoting their blockchain, their ecosystem, showing these are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all these other cryptos. Look at Elrond. This is why you should go to Elrond. It's going to separate itself. Through the cooperation, Elrond will contribute knowledge and support towards the creation of educational materials for News Crypto platform users, opening the door for a great understanding of the fundamentals of the ecosystem that is ready to power a global financial system operating at a scale. Just like I said, guys, it's a great way for Elrond to be able to establish their base and platform to educate those who don't know much about cryptocurrency. A lot of people just know Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. They don't know anything else. So it's important for Elrond to get into that educational space. So that is huge. As Elrond Network Fundamentals report is already available for free on their website in the app.newscrypto.io. If you guys want to go to this link, they have a report already. Make sure you guys check that out if you guys are not educated. Sign up is required, but it's just a way to incentivize, you know what I mean, to get you to support their, their site and their platform. So a portion of the NWC token supply will be bridged onto the Elrond network as a ESDT token, enabling its holders to benefit from opportunities on the Maiar exchange and other DeFi products running on our network. Together, we are also exploring more opportunities for DeFi collaborations. So pretty awesome stuff, guys. I won't go too much into more detail about it, but this is awesome. Again, there's many things, many different other organizations and entities getting a whiff of that Elrond magic, and EGLD is going to be popping up very nicely. So let's continue with the next article here, coming from Lucien Minku. Not really an article, but more of an update. The Elrond network APIs have undergone refactoring. Significantly more simultaneous connections and lower response times are now possible with the reduced infrastructure footprint. So mission 10, day 28, guys, and let's check it out here. The Elrond API infrastructure and code have recently undergone massive changes and refactoring. The resulting increases in performance and scalability have arrived in a timely manner for the highly anticipated debut of the Maiar exchange. So again, guys, we've been waiting for so long for the Maiar exchange to come out. The research for improvement opportunities and the results of the hard work required to implement them have yielded remarkable results. The increase in the amount of simultaneously connected users, better surge traffic management, and reduced response times. One important change was the decision about the framework used. Others were a series of novel caching strategies to better handle requests, each of which resulted in faster response times and overall made the entire API layer feel very snappy. Here are the most important changes and improvements. So they go into a lot of the different things that they've improved with their API. They made transitions from Express to Nest.js. JavaScript, I believe, the framework is better suited for our microservices architecture and has great tooling, and documentation will further allow us to build on its capabilities. You have caching synced with round times. An Elrond blockchain round takes 6 seconds, but the data in the latest minted block thus can't change for the entire duration of a round. We use this insight to always serve requests for the same data from the cache, greatly improving the response time for an in-demand data at a particular point in time. They have in-memory caching, which is our API servers have been fitted with an in-memory caching module that significantly reduces the amount of queries that need to be made towards the separate Redis server instances. This further reduces the time required for data to be made available towards requesters. A lot of this stuff is going to be kind of complex and complicated. A lot of people really don't care about it, but it's important for me to talk about it. I'm going to kind of glisten over a lot of it, but again, it's important for you to understand the updates, right? So you got transaction processors. The new component constantly watches all blockchain transactions and triggers refreshes on outdated cache information, right? So thanks to this proactive fetching mechanism, the time to live for data has been increased from 1 minute to an hour. And this means the computational intensive requests to update all data happen less often, and certain pieces of data are perhaps available even sooner than before. The transaction processor takes special care about ESDTs and transactions related to them, such as minting or transfers. So again, they have their package here. Their awesome components available as an NNP and package here. So scrolling down here, you have the cache warmers. A new component proactively updates certain pieces of data and places them directly into the cache to avoid foreseeable computational intensive queries. For example, the list of active validator nodes is refreshed every minute and takes 30 seconds to generate. Cache warmer proactively computes the list so the Elrond Explorer has the info ready as soon as possible without the need to wait. I don't know if that's a typo, but for it after making the inquiry. And then internet scale data management for almost anyone. If the infrastructure footprint required made you think twice before engaging with Elrond API infrastructure, great news. Thanks to the optimizations mentioned above and several other improvements, we were able to reduce our infrastructure footprint by 80% and ended up with double the capacity. So that's important, guys. Creating a smaller footprint, but then again, increasing the amount of things that they can store. So they're making very efficient use of what their real estate essentially is. And that just shows you they're able to squeeze it. I mean, guys, remember floppy disks, right? When I was born, I'm not that old, but when I was born, floppy disks were a thing. We had to fit things that only was a megabyte. You had a big thing that fit probably a megabyte of data. Now we can fit terabytes of data, gigabytes of data on little sticks. So it just shows you can shrink it, but yet expand capacities, which is amazing. It's just technology and the advancements that we've made, right? And here's what you need to become an Elrond API provider yourself. You need an Elrond Observer Squad, a Redis server, an Elasticsearch instance, and the Elrond API. So, I mean, guys, a lot of people won't care about this, like I said, and won't use it, but it's important for you to kind of be aware of it. The API layer is just one of the many and fascinating aspects of the Elrond technology stack. Dive into the fully open source blockchain protocol and the vast array of tools surrounding it. So, they do have a developer community. So for those out there who are creating things, right, they want developers to start building on their platform. That's the huge push. It's time to build. That's what Benjamin Ku has pinned on his Twitter. So very important. So speaking of Benjamin Minku, it's time. A DeFi shockwave is coming. Battle of the Yields begins September 14th. $100,000 worth of EGLD is to be won and already ready. So they do have a little 23-second video here. Battle of the Yields is coming September 14th. Right now, if I'm checking my calendar, it's the 9th of September. So it'll be coming out next week, Tuesday. So it's important, guys, to understand this is where this is the last phase before the Maiar exchange goes live. This is the last phase. They're going to make sure that they want people to hack the system. They want people to break it. They want people to try to infiltrate it. And they want to pay you for doing this. They just want to see, you know, again, integrity of exchanges is a big thing, right? We've seen hacks, we've seen money, millions of dollars get taken out of exchanges due to hackers being able to infiltrate the systems. So it's important, guys, that you know, they want to make sure everything's fortified, all the bugs, all the vulnerabilities are patched, and it's ready to rock and roll. So that's totally understandable. I'm excited to see how the Battle of Yields goes. I want to see how fast someone can figure it out to hack this, not just a blockchain, but the actual exchange itself. So we'll have to see about that, but it's something you guys got to keep aware of. Lastly, this is coming from Wesley Crest. Again, he's one of the pioneers in this community. I would say myself personally. Powerful EGLD cell video recording is complete with Benjamin Minku, CryptoTex, and Joshua TJO on Celsius Network. Hashtag CoinTalk. This was the most powerful episode to date, and so excited for both communities and similar visions aligning. Feature collaborations released next Wednesday. So just keep an eye out for this. Make sure you follow Wesley Crest. They did a video, an episode, and that's awesome that we have all these guys finally interacting with each other. Like Wesley Crest, he was on, I believe, Hashoshi on his YouTube channel, you know, talking with him, and that's cool. To me, it's just that communication, right? Being able to have influential members and pioneers in this community and space be able to talk to each other and provide that information for us as a public scene. Right, I'm a small YouTuber. I don't even have 1,000 subscribers yet, but I come out here because I want to do this. I'm passionate about crypto. I'm passionate about technology, guys. So with all that said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Please like, comment, subscribe. Again, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate you guys who are loyal and been watching my videos in its entirety. I do have a Patreon. If you want to pledge, it's, I think, starting out at $2. Nothing too crazy, guys, if you guys just want to, you know, support me. But other than that, I'm here for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. I'll see you guys on my next video. Have a good one.